behind the 8-ball can be broken down into 4 parts. The first being the beginning of a double rollout. Instead of continuing the trick, you allow your pointer finger to slide in between the safe handle and spine of the blade. This is followed by a partial 0G chaplain, then a closed thumb roll, followed by an open thumb roll. I won't get too caught up on the terminology, especially if this is the first time you're hearing it, and I'll include a slowed down version of this breakdown in the next segment of this video so you can see what's going on a bit easier.